Part 1. Name is. Speak English. Write it. Read only. Exist. Coming. Physical. Tell you. If only. Walker. Part 2. Go away. Who is. Soonest. Your. Do I. Too often. To ask. UN. Tour. Yellow wand. Part 3. I am. I also. See this. Where. Miss only. Cajun. Oh, sorry. Cajun. Treasure for. Pleasure. Full lips. Bigger. Black cat. Sad duck. Part 4. Didn't you? Can't you do it? Don't you like it? I'll let you know. Actually. Natural. Yet you are. Let you. Can't you dress yourself? I can't reach your age. I can't reach your age. Insurance. Did you see it? What did your mom think? Do you find your money? Your money. Education. Individual. Graduation.